Hey everyone, thank you for joining today. I'm David from InkHearts Industries. First of all, I would like to say a huge thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for all the comments and the likes, much appreciated. The great news is our InkHearts Industries t-shirts and mugs available online thanks to our sponsor InkHearts.
InkHearts.
I put a link in the description below, check them out. In today's video, we're doing some rust proofing and rust prevention on a Mitsubishi L 300 motorhome. We're using some red oxide paint, which is very good to keep the rust away. Underneath, in the wheel arch, we use some special mix of paint and a chemical. So if you keep watching the video, you're gonna find out what we're using. Everyone have their opinion what's the best. Here at InkHearts Industries, we believe this mixture what we're using, it's very good for rust prevention.
sugar, spice, and everything nice. Chemical X. Chemical X.
This is how it looks the next day. When I touch it, it's still a bit tacky, but it's not too bad now. So a few more probably days or maybe weeks, have another coat of underbody seal, and it's gonna be lovely and protected. What I'm gonna do is clear the A-pillar, the step, the edge of the door, and spray it with edge primer. I have to remove the door for that. I've done it many times, so that's what I'm gonna do. And we're not saying that's the only way to do it, but we use it for a while and it works really well. So leave a comment below what method you prefer for rust prevention, fluid film, WD-40. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Check out the InkHearts website.
InkHearts.
So yeah, thanks again. See you next time.